Yes, Aileen, can you see the screen? Okay, fine. We'll start trigonometry revision. Okay, you will have this for final exam. You remember trigonometry? From the beginning, we'll revise. Okay, today, tomorrow, we'll complete trigonometry and we'll see. Before the school starts, we'll just revise whatever we have studied so far. Okay. In trigonometry, which angle do we use? Which triangle do we use, Aileen? Yes, right angle triangle, ABC. If B is right angle, what do you call the opposite line? AC, we call hypotenuse. So angle B is fixed 90 degree, angle A and C, it depends. Okay. If you take angle A as theta, what side is given opposite to AC? A, opposite to theta, we have BC. So this theta, whatever value is given, good. We call it as perpendicular. And what's the other one left? AB, we call it as base. Next, same right angle triangle, ABC. Angle B is fixed. If I take theta here, and hypotenuse is also fixed. If I take C as theta, what is opposite to C? AB will be perpendicular, right? And BC will be base. Can you see the difference? For both the perpendicular and base is different according to angle. Next. Along with this, we use the theorem. Which theorem do we use to find any side? Yes. Tell me what is Pythagoras theorem? By base square. Very good. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Or you can write BC square plus AB square. Is it clear? Yeah, this is the concept. Triangle formula based on angle. Next we have certain ratios. If I take a triangle, how many sides are there in this? There are 3 sides now, and we use 6 ratios. We call it as trigonometry ratios. What are the 6 ratios? Tell me in order, Aileen. Sine, correct. Yes. Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosec. You should remember this order, okay? For sine, what's the formula? Perpendicular by. For cos, yes, tell me. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is cos? Base by tan. Forgot the formula so soon. What is tan, Aileen? Tan is equal to, take the first from the both one. From the both sine and cos, take the first. Perpendicular by base. If you remember these three, that is enough. Left hand side, we use which relation? Left hand side? Use reciprocal. Very good. Reciprocal relation. So what is sine? Reciprocal of sine? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. For reciprocal, it is cosec, right? Hypotenuse by cosec base. Very good. For cot, perpendicular. These are the 6 trigonometry ratios. Then we have 2 special formulas. That is tan theta. What is tan theta formula? Sine theta by cos theta. Then cot theta. What is cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Remember this. Make a note. See, how are we getting tan value? How did we get perpendicular by base? We have taken the first value, right? First 2 values. So that's the reason, divide them, sine by cos. So cot will be the reciprocal, right? Cot should be cos by sin. Sin by cos, cos by sin. Done? Sin cos tan, sin cos tan cos, sec cosec. Reciprocal. Left hand side, which relation do we use? I know. Yes, reciprocal relation. Now, based on reciprocal relation. What is reciprocal relation? Sin theta is equals to 1 by, check the arrow, 1 by cosec theta. Or cosec theta is equals to what? 1 by sin theta. Next, tell me for tan, sorry, cos theta is equals to, very good, 1 by sec. 1 by sec theta. Sec theta is equals to, next. What about tan theta? And cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. This is reciprocal relation. Is it clear? Yeah, make a note. And right hand side, which relation do we follow? Right hand side. Remember, I told, very good, complementary. For right hand side, can you see these two like this? Oh, what is sin? Sin theta is equals to cos. For complementary, we use a value. 9 minus theta. Okay. Same thing. If it is cos theta, it is sin 90 minus theta. The same goes with tan and cot. Yeah, make a note of this, Island. Write all this, draw right angle triangle. Complete it. Tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equals to tan. This island done? Have you written it? Oh, A, B, and sine, cos, so here, this is reciprocal relation. This is complementary. Then we have square relation. Okay. Now square relation is you take any two values and we square it. So first thing is sine square theta plus cos square theta should be equal to 1. Next, sine square theta and cos square theta, only the first two. Next, you take sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Then we go in reverse order island. Cosec square theta. What is missing here? What is the other trigonometry ratio missing? Cot square theta is equal to 1. Yes, complete this square relation. Sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus cos square theta. Think that's it. All the concepts are done. We'll start solving the question. I've written everything neatly. Below the other. Okay, can you send it in the group island? Later, can you take a pic and send? Everything you've written right? You didn't miss out any value? Okay, you send it. Okay, you send it later. See, all these questions I'll just skip because we have already completed, right? We now to solve. See, use sine formula, perpendicular, hypotenuse, all these things. Second question, what is missing here? AC value is missing. How do you find AC? Pythagoras theorem. You'll get 5. Okay, I'll just solve one question. Second main, fourth question. How do you solve this? What is sine C? First, tell me formula for sine hypotenuse. Which angle is given with relation to angle C? Now, with relation to angle C, what is perpendicular? 4. Divided by hypotenuse is 5. This is the answer. Understood? Okay, now tell me one value. Cot, third question. What is cot A? First formula. Check the formulas. Base by. No, no, no. Check what you have written. Base by perpendicular, right? What is base by perpendicular? With for angle A, which is base for angle A. So, how come A? Yes, AB is base. A, what is AB? 4 divided by what is perpendicular opposite for angle A? 3, right? This is the answer. This is how you have to clear. Okay. Third question. Find the Pythagoras theorem. Use Pythagoras theorem. Third question. Where is 90 degree? Which angle is 90 degree? Then how do you apply Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equals to. Okay, complete that and can you try these two, fifth and sixth one? I'll give you 2 minutes time. I'll ask. Just complete it. Yes, what's the answer, Ellen? What did you get? So BC is equals to 289 minus 220. The 64, BC is equals to 8, right? Fifth question. Did you complete or still doing? Oh, complete. One. Okay. Tell me, sin B. What is sin B? It is sin. What is sin formula? From angle B, which is perpendicular, for angle B. It's not 15, right? Yes. 8 divided by hypotenuse is multiplied by cos. What is cos? Base by. Okay. For from angle C, which is base, island, which is base 8 or 15 for C. So for C, what is 15? The opposite or next. The opposite will become perpendicular, right? So it should be base, meaning is next to that angle next to it. For angle C, which side is next to it? BC will be hypotenuse. Yes, hypotenuse is fixed, Island. Hypotenuse is fixed, right? This is what I explained in the first concept. Redo the question. I think your answer is wrong. Redo it. Yeah, tell me, Island. What is cos C now? Yes, base by hypotenuse, 8 by 70. Tell me cos B, base by hypotenuse from angle B, which is base 15. Hypotenuse is 70. See, for any question, hypotenuse is, Island, it will not change. Okay, only the perpendicular and base will change. Hypotenuse is fixed. Into what is sine? For C, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular meaning is what? Hmm. Opposite. 15 by 70. 8 into 8 is 64 divided by plus 225 divided by what's the answer? Uh, Without the answer, how did you get 1? Your values were wrong. How did you get 1? Correct. Now did you understand? Fine. Tell me the next one. X square C minus tan square. What is the degree? Degree is 1 or 2? Degrees. For sec, what is the value? First write sec formula, then sec according to angle C. Yes. I then hardly 10, 20 seconds you have to complete. What is sec formula? Hypotenuse by base. Okay, what is hypotenuse? 17. For C, which is base? No, not 15. For C, again 15 is base. Tell me for tan, perpendicular. For which angle you have to check? Okay. See, Eileen, you shouldn't take hypotenuse as fixed. Okay, you shouldn't take perpendicular and base as fixed value. Fine. They always vary according to the angle. Okay, they vary according to angle. Tell me for C, which is perpendicular, what is tan formula first? For base. For C, which is perpendicular, opposite 15 by 8. Very good. Now, the same formula, if I take for tan B, what is perpendicular for B? 8. What is base for B? 15. Can you see the values? Are they same or different? They are different. For each angle, it varies, right? So it doesn't mean that tan and sine the values are same. For each angle it varies. Next, how do you solve this? 289 by 64 divided by 20. What's the value? 64 by answer. Here. Okay. Second triangle. Sorry. Next question. What is given in the fourth question? How many right angle triangles do we have? Two. Which one will you start first? ABD or ADC? Yeah. What's the reason? Very good. Two values are given. How do you find the third value? Tell me which is 90° in the first triangle. In triangle ADB, D is 90. Then which is hypotenuse? AB. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square. So you'll get a value, right? Yeah, you'll get some value. Then you have to apply Pythagoras theorem for which one? Yes, for the next one, which is hypotenuse. So after finding both, will you try this question? The fourth question is for homework. Clear? At the fifth main first one island, what is given? Sin theta is equals to 1 by root. What they have asked us to find? Other trigonometry ratios. Total how many trigonometry ratios do we have? 6. Apart from sine, what are the other things? No, no. Tell me in order. Order which cos, tan, cot. Don't look at the textbook island. Textbook will be difficult. Okay, you don't look at the textbook. Whatever formulas I gave, you study according to that. This is the order it should be, right? In textbook, the order is different, right? After tan, you get sec. Then cos and cot. I don't study in that order completely. Now, what is cosec theta formula? Base 6 and by base. Cot, sec, cosec. In order to find all these values, what are the common things required? We need perpendicular, Yeah, perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse, right? These are the three things required. Now let us use this formula. Sin theta. In place of sin theta, write the formula. What is sin theta? Let me write p by it. Is this clear? What is p value? What is hypotenuse? What is the relation between these three? Which formula we use? We use Pythagoras. What is Pythagoras theorem? X square is equals to what is x value? 1 square plus b square remains as it is. How do you find b square? Oh, root and root gets cancelled. 2 minus is equals to what? B square. B is equals to 2 minus 1 is what happens to square root? Square goes to the other side. What is root 1? 1. So we have all the formulas now, perpendicular, base, and height. Yeah, tell me all the values. What are the values? Perpendicular is 1. Base, hypotenuse, correct. Is diagram required here? Do we need diagram for these questions? No. But usually teachers have given diagram. If you draw diagram, you'll definitely get confused. Silent. Can you see question 5 to 7, 5 to 16? For 5 to 16, diagram is not required. Is it clear? Without diagram, you can solve. Okay, tell me one common thing from 5 to 16. What is that one common thing they have asked? Question. Can you see all the question only one value is given? Sine, cos, cosec, sin, tan, right? Total how many sides do we have in a triangle? Total three sides. How many trigonometry ratios? Out of six, how many values are given here? Question. Each question only one value. Then we use this concept. Is it clear? Complete this, and I want you to try. Wait, let me tell. Seventh question. How do you solve seventh question? Cosec theta is given. Cosec theta is equals to root 10. What is cosec theta formula? Formula for cosec. Hypotenuse by seventh question. Take the formula. I think you didn't write the formula. Did you write what I get? Okay. Cosec is equals to cosec perpendicular. What is the value given? Root. If hypotenuse is root 10, is any divider given? I mean, denominator given? 1. You have to take it as 1. Understood? Okay, complete this and I want you to try the seventh question. I'll give you 2 minutes. First, write this silent. Once you complete, do the seventh question. This is the fifth one. Yes, island completed. Okay, this one you've done. Okay, tell me Alan, how to solve this. Put 10 by 1. Okay. Perpendicular one, base we need to find, hypotenuse is. Okay, what's the formula? Okay, when diagram is not given, use this formula. Okay. Root 10 the whole square plus is equal to 1 square plus what is 10 minus 1 is 9. 12 plus 9 is what is the value? Then write all the formulas and substitute, you'll get the answer, right? Okay, complete that. And okay, check the answer. If you have done, check the answer in text whether it is right or not. Okay. See, third question, I mean, sixth question, 7, 8, 9, all these are same, right? Yeah, you have one more type of question. Look at the 11th one. 13 sine theta is equals to 5. Before sine theta, we have 13. What do you do with that? Yes, we have to shift it. Multiplication becomes division. What is sine? Perpendicular by perpendicular is 30. That is how we have to solve. Yeah? And they won't ask you to find all the values, Helen. Can you see? After that, there was only two values: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I want you to solve fourth question. Fourth main is for homework. Then, along with fourth main, 11th one, 11 and 14. Three questions. Yes, homework. 4, 11, 14. Mark 4, 11, 14. Okay. Tomorrow is Friday. Even tomorrow, Saturday, same time. I'll 12 o'clock. Tomorrow I'll conduct for 1.5 hours up to 1:30. So tomorrow complete this and we'll finish exercise B as well. BS. Okay. Think of this for homework. 4, 11, 14. Have you made a note? Ellen, you can leave login at 12 o'clock tomorrow, same time. Only the formula part. All those formula will check. Okay, just send that in the edited. Fine, Ellen. You can leave login at 12 tomorrow. Yes.